Well, scarcity means a lot of things to a lot of people, and it seemed an obvious theme with us, in 2023 and now in 2024, hurtling from one crisis to the next. But when I meditated on this, or what scarcity means, the first thing that came to mind to me was peace. It's just, even in your own life, just to find a moment of peace. So I was hoping we could sort of just kind of shake off the debate. It's been a lot of really heavy topics have been raised, and if we could just all take in a deep breath and out to relax, then, I know that taking a breath wouldn't immediately alleviate any major conflict, but as you take a minute for yourself, trust that if you can achieve peace within yourself, then you can communicate peacefully with your loved ones, with each other, with other board members, and you can begin then to strive for peace in your community. So as this is not so much a peaceful demonstration, but more like a demonstration of peace, I would like you to invite you just to take 3 more breaths, just 1 more breath for peace. And because when we have peace, everything else has a place to fall into place. And 2 more times, just once more for love. Breathe for love, because love is everything, and without air, we have nothing. And the final time, let us breathe for joy, because without joy, we don't have a festival. And when we have peace and love, we have joy. Thank you, everyone, today. And whenever you feel things are getting too much, just remember to breathe.